We got 2 Ryan toys. We got a mini surprise egg and a squishy. I like Ryan's toy review because I like his videos.
Are you excited to open these toys?
Yes. Toy squishy.
You got a different Ryan toy squishy another time?
Yeah, I'm going to go get it and show you it. I was so lucky. That's what I got.
Ooh, Robo Ryan?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Watch how far I can stretch it.
That's really far.
Let's put it right here.
I wonder what squishy we're going to get in this mystery mini egg.
I hope we don't get, and with the squishy, I hope we don't get Robo Ryan.
I know, we hope we don't get the repeat, huh? Hope it's a brand new one.
Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Mama opened this part, so now I gotta open the whole thing. Okay.
Can you do it, you think?
Probably. Only if I'm strong.
Ooh, you did it.
It's definitely not real. No way. Karate Ryan.
Karate Ryan?
Yeah.
Awesome!
That's how far he stretched. Okay. Okay, now let's see what's in here. The mystery egg.
Okay, so this says that it includes 1 mini egg container, 1 rubber ball, 1 figure set, 1 sticker set of 2, and 1 tattoo set of 2. All right, babe, let's open this up. See what is inside.
Open it. Oh, look, it has layers.
Oh boy, here we go.
Okay, what is in here? What is this?
What is that?
Let's see, Mama. Okay, now what is this? Oh, it's on a ball.
Oh.
Red Titan.
How do you know that's Red Titan?
Because in his videos, he says Red Titan. Layer. Oh, I got this and tattoos and stickers and collector's guide. So this must have. Okay. Oh no way! This is really awesome. Robo Combo.
Oh, Robo Combo.
It's Combo Panda.
Oh, bouncy ball, the stickers, the tattoos, the guide, and then what do we got in there?
No way I got that. I got Robo Combo. Let's see if he's a rare. He has to be a rare.
These are all the ones they have?
Yeah?
Oh.
Let's see if we can find him on here. Where is he?
Is he near?
I think he's rare, maybe.
Is it this one?
No, that's regular.
Oh, that's regular.
Yeah. Look, he's not even on there. Not even any place.
He's not anywhere on the paper?
No.
So you think he's rare? Let me just look again. Dun, dun, dun.
He's not anywhere on there.
Wow. That's
And
awesome.
look at his eyes, and he has a golden controller.
Oh! That's so cool.
Okay, now let's open this part. This is the grand finale. Putty. It's Putty.
Ooh. You're gonna open that too, huh? Oh, you already got it?
Okay, what color Putty did we get? What? Oh, this is what we got. Blue putty
Your favorite?
color.
Okay, so this is everything we got today. Some putty, tattoo stickers. Which panda is this again?
And it's a ultra rare combo panda. And karate rising. My can fit so full. My head can so far.
Was this fun to open?
Yeah, and I wish we could open more of it.
You want more eggs now, huh?
Yeah, let's open the slime.
Okay.
Can you help me, Mama? Got it. Ooh.
Is it gonna be slimy?
I don't know. How are we gonna get it out? Oh, yes. Getting it out. The cat. Okay, I got it. Let's just get it.
Is it in one piece or is it like all?
One piece.
Oh, okay. Oh, it is, because it is putty. It's not slime, but it kind of looks slimy to me.
Let's see how far it stretches. That's all what it does. Oh,
there you go.
Okay, we're gonna try to cover Combo Panda.
Poor Combo Panda.
And
It's gonna be filled with putty. Where'd he go?
let's see if we can get it all over him.
Still put the controller in his hand.
What is this? It has a controller.
It's like a putty blanket, huh? Night-night combo.
It's gone, look. He has no controller.
Where'd it go?
But look, there's a ball right here of the potty that we got. There's something golden in there. Could it be? We found it. It was in the potty.
It was in the putty.
It's so fun to play with. And it just goes in just like so. Just gonna go like that. Wait, look at this. When you do one,
Oh.
it goes at the same time. That's cool. And this is hard to get it on. Oh, that was so close. Controller back in his hand, and that he's stuck in putty. He's stuck in putty. Stuck. Talking with putty face.
Hello, putty face.
Where am I going? Where am I going? Ah! Look, it comes off really easily. Look.
Oh.
Controller holder. It doesn't do anything, but it holds the controller inside. It's a little controller case. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, let's see how we did.
Oh, it looks good. Perfect. That's really good.
All right, let everybody see your tattoo. Ryan's World. Bam!
That is awesome. I'm going to have it on by, like, tomorrow.
Okay.
Thanks for watching Kaden's Toys.